Teacher Paul up here, and today we're checking out Eurovision. This is Luxembourg's entry, and this is Eva Marija, or Maria, or Maria, singing Mother Nature. Let's check this out, guys. Mother Nature.
From the start, when all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight.
Luxembourg, let me know if you're proud of the selection. Ooh. Okay. I love her smile, like how happy she is performing it. Wow, okay. Pretty dope. That's nice. I like this. I like this. I like her voice. Kind of reminds me of Aurora, to be honest with you. Literally, her charisma is awesome. It's contagious. She's smiling while singing. Kind of reminds me of Sigrid too. You guys know Sigrid, right? Where did that come from? Where did the violin come from? What the heck? She just spawned a violin. Where did that come from? What the heck? Look at that. Oh, wow. This is the second act that I see with the violin. Although the other one was from Finland, it's not through yet.
Mother Nature, she knows.
Nice. She's a magician too. She made the...
Thank you so much, Luxembourg.
Wow. She made that violin, you know, just spawn, and then she lit up her head with a firefly. So, Susan says 3. Yeah, so Alexander Rybak, but he's not through to the finals yet. The Finnish one, but they're also not through. So, yeah, technically this is the first one. Technically. I thought Finland had gone through yet, but they're not yet. But their violin solo is pretty awesome. But we could potentially see 3. We could see Alexander Rybak with the violin. We could see the Finnish performance, but I don't remember the name. And we could see, well, she is going to be there. So we could see 3 acts with the violin. That was pretty cool. I like it. I like the fact that she's singing in... about Mother Nature. She is singing and smiling at the same time. She has really good positive energy. She could involve a little bit of different languages, you know, from Luxembourg, but that's fine. She's singing in English. But I like the energy here and her vocals, you know, the spikes in her voice, the falsettos that she's using. I like that. I like those elements that she added it makes it a good performance. It's pretty cool. Guys, I like her style. She's doing magic tricks on stage as well, which is pretty cool. It's just a nice kind of like detail that makes you pay attention and, whoa, how did she do that? It's pretty cool. Just a simple touch. And also I like that she's with the violin. It gives it a different layer of her artistic skill. She's not only a singer, but she is a musician as well. That's pretty cool. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you want to request a video of your favorite Eurovision moment, go over to Buy Me Coffee. The link is in the pinned comments. See you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.